So today was a great day with the Redland City Council contributing to the design of the Birkdale Precinct.
This huge piece of land that council purchased for the community. So what we're doing is trying to find out what the community would like us to do with it.
It's great because it links into our design thinking processes that we're doing in design and technologies at the moment, and expanded the young people's understanding of how we're not just doing product design but also contributing to community design and having a great space for young people and people of all ages to enjoy their community.
Me personally, I would love to see just fun things for the kids. Obviously in the next 25 years we'll have our own children, our own families, and just areas that our kids can learn what we've learnt, and just for them to have some fun.
It's an exciting project, it's a big project. It's got so many opportunities. There's this recreational opportunity, but there's all these wonderful values that, hearing the kids here talk about the access to Timgarpa Creek and the opportunities for fishing, and mudcrabbing and all those things. There's things that appeal to not only youth but everyone in the city.
I just think that it was really cool that we had people come in out of school to help us, and it was really nice to have different people give us different ideas, and there was this teamwork, but there was also communication, and it was just really cool to watch it all happen, and I'm excited to see it grow.
And just a huge thank you to Redland City Council for giving AITC Year 10 students the opportunity to have a word in this. Really grateful.
Well, it's great because there's some further opportunities down the track for us to hopefully get involved. The next stage of the process is to collate the data together, and then after that there's going to be a master planning process, and so we've been offered some opportunities to get involved in that as well. So that's a great outcome.